Hello, today's origami, the art of paper folding Robert Harbin extract is taken from the multiform, and this time I'm going to present it in a puzzle form. In other words, what I'm going to do is to give you the base and then give you one or two shapes that you can make out of it and see if you can work out how to do that. So to start, what I've done is I've folded down the diagonal of the paper, and that gives the centre, and then what I've also done is folded the corners into the centre like that. Now what I need to do is to fold the sides to the middle, top and bottom, left and right, so that way round, and I find it easier to do that. Top and bottom, and now left and right. So you've got a square again. Now what I need to do is to crease along these lines here, diagonals, 4 of them. So just to do a crease, in other words, it's a crease, then it goes back, and you'll find that they go round one way but not the other. So now what you need to do, remembering the orientation of this, is to pull out these points like this, and what will happen is this will fold over like that, and this point, this will fold like that. This point, which will fold over like that, knit off, and this will fold over, pull out, and will fold over like that. And this is your basic shape. You can make a windmill out of this by folding in 2 places. So what you can do is to create something like that. Now from the windmill you can make a vase, and you do that by folding in 1 place from the windmill. And there's your vase. From the vase you can do 1 fold to make a boat with a sail. And here's the boat with the sail. Now, if you go back to the original fold, the original base that I showed you there, you can make 1 fold to that, and you will end up with a catamaran. There's a catamaran. You can make lots of other shapes with them as well.